Get it done, Malik.
What's up, y'all? It's Malik. Let's get it done. Okay, so today I got my 2016 Ram 1500 EcoDiesel. Now, it just shows you, boom. Okay, now I'm doing an oil change. I decided to not take it to the dealership this time and pay $150.
Every race I ran, I felt like I was coming last. I lost faith in myself and I ain't never going back. That's a fact. I'm the type to lose it all and get it back. I was down real bad, had to get up off my ass. Every race I ran, I felt like I was coming last. I lost faith in myself and I ain't never going back. That's a fact. I'm the type to lose it all and get it back. I'm posted, I'm toting, plug acting like a lil' ma, cause I owed him. Told me he would talk to my mama, man, I thought he was joking. I seen him parked outside of my crib, so I plotted to smoke him. I'm from a city, you got it.
What's up, y'all? It's Malik. Let's get it done. Okay, so today I got my 2016 Ram 1500 EcoDiesel. Now, it just shows you, boom. Okay, now I'm doing an oil change. I decided to not take it to the dealership this time and pay $150. I went and got the stuff, didn't pay as much. It's pretty easy. Let's do it. It's actually a little bit easier than doing it on a gas truck or like gas engine or like I had an Avalanche before this. It was easier because the filter is not underneath. It's right on top. So I'm gonna reach down in here, boom, open that up, get it out, do all of that. It's easy. So I'm gonna show y'all now. Let's go. All right, here we go. It's a 3.0 turbo. All right. This is how easy it is, okay? This is the cap, right? So I'm gonna take the cap, put the cap right there. It's low key, there's probably a spot for it too, I ain't gonna lie to you. Look, ha, that's pretty cool. Anyway, right here. This is the filter. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get a wrench on that. I can't be strong all the time. Okay, I got my 1 1/16 socket right here. Okay, you have to put it on here and twist that off. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. One thing I will tell you is don't take this wrench and do anything like this or anything like that. You got to get it on there all the way and have it on straight. So you want to put it on like this. You want to have it on there like that. And you want to make sure it's straight before you turn. Because if it keeps slipping like I just did a little bit, because of course I'm not perfect. If it does that, you're going to round that bolt off, the top of it off. Yep. So let me get back up here. You got to have it at a certain angle. All right, guys. So I got it cracked a little bit. It's a lot of tension on that, and I feel like it might be pressure. So I'm gonna go from the bottom and I'm gonna start draining because I hate for something to come spitting up out of there or something like that. I just want to try to take as much pressure off of it as I can. The engine is real hot too because I've been driving. So like I said, I'm gonna just take it easy, let it drain, and then come back to that. I don't know exactly what's going on with that, but y'all see it's a little cracked. Like it's off a little bit, so I'm almost there. Now, the video that I watched told me that I should be able to take that off of my hand. Cannot. I still got to turn with the wrench. So I'm going to just go ahead and leave that alone for a minute. So let's get to this bottom half, y'all. Okay, y'all, guys. See, I had to jack the truck up. Okay. So we got that done. I'm gonna go ahead and get in here to this drain plug. Hey, shout out to these dealership mechanics, man. They sure know how to over tighten the pump. Like for real, for real. Part with a little slick. There we go. I'm gonna let that drain, y'all. Nice and hot too. All right, guys. So I got my drain plug back in. All my oil drained down. I let it get to the point where it was nothing coming out. And I went ahead and put that drain plug back on. So I'm gonna get from under here and do everything on the top end now. There we go, that's the drain plug right there. I got that hand tight, but very tight, tight enough. All right, got the new washer on here. That's where it goes. I got the new filter in here, as y'all can see. We're ready to go. Let's put this back in. Okay, guys. Filter is back on. Y'all see it's on there. Pretty good. I just put a quart of Lucas in there. So now I'm about to put 10 quarts of regular oil, and I'm gonna see where the dipstick is. And you know, if I need more, I'm gonna proceed. Let's go. Okay, just to further explain, I got 2.5 gallons of oil right here. This is 10 quarts, if you do the math. I did drip a little bit, so just ignore me. So with those quarts being in, with these quarts and with the Lucas, that should be enough. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to reset your oil life. So, see mine says oil change required. You're gonna go to these buttons here, and we're gonna use that screen. So we're gonna go down right here. We're gonna go to the truck, and you're gonna find, you're gonna go over. You're gonna go over, okay, till you find this. And right here it says hold this. So hold this one to reset. So I'm holding it, confirm reset, okay. Boom, 100%. All right, guys, if y'all want to see more, I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment and let me know what you think. If you got any tips for me, let me know. If you feel like anything was, could have been done better, or if you have any questions about a certain thing, like, how did I do a certain thing? Comment, hit me up, ask me. Hey, I appreciate y'all. Let's get it done.
Run up a check, no stress. Come and place your bets. We got all the odds against us, that's when we at our best. It's not pretend we always winning, cause we blessed. What's less? Run up a check, no stress. Come and place your bets. We got all the odds against us, that's when we at our best. It's not pretend we always winning, cause we blessed. What's less? No stress. Walk in a room full of leaders, then lead the room. Talking black privilege and